Did you know that UFOs have an underwater counterpart? They're called USOs, or unidentified submerged objects, and the coast of Brazil is a major hotspot for these mysterious sightings. For over 70 years, researchers have noticed a pattern. These strange objects are frequently seen entering and leaving the oceans and rivers. This has led many to speculate that there might be secret underwater bases hidden in the depths, which makes sense when you remember that most of our planet is covered by water. In Brazil, local fishermen have passed down stories for generations about these phenomena. Take coltan balls of fire, enchanted eyes, or luminous rods. While some of these can be explained away, many cases remain truly baffling. Take the enchanted eye of Ilhabela. A local man named Manuel Felipe was near a waterfall one night when a 6-foot-tall rod of fire appeared. As he got closer, it shot off, bathing the area in a blue light. Efeltisi passed out, and when he woke up, everything was silent. Locals say they often see eye-shaped lights emerging from the waterfalls, always darting away if anyone gets too close. Back in 1958, an even stranger event unfolded at Pitangoras Beach. An army captain and 9 other witnesses saw what looked like a bizarre, unknown island. Through binoculars, they saw it was a 2-part object. One part was on the water, the other hovered above it, connected by glowing tubes. Small, colorful objects, like beads on a necklace, moved up and down these tubes. When a steamship passed, the entire thing submerged, only to reappear 15 minutes later, before finally sinking for good. The military was alerted, but by the time a plane arrived, it was gone. Then, in 1978, a man named João Inácio Ribeiro was on Guaíba Beach when a 30-foot circular craft appeared over the sea. It was silent, metallic, and had a dome on top. To his amazement, 2 small beings, about 3 feet tall with gray suits and large black eyes, walked out onto the craft. One held a rod, the other a device that looked like a vacuum cleaner, which they used to skim the surface of the water. After about 10 minutes, they went back inside, and the craft plunged into the ocean with just a soft, hissing sound. Even scientific expeditions have had encounters. The crew of the oceanographic vessel Professor W. Bisnard reported multiple sightings while in Antarctica between 1982 and 1988. The commander said strange lights that changed direction were common. Once, their sonar picked up a huge V-shaped object near Deception Island. It was as large as the island itself, but when they got closer, there was nothing there. Perhaps one of the most dramatic incidents happened in 1996 during an air show in Santos. An Air Force plane from the famous Smoke Squadron suddenly lost a wing and crashed. What caused it? Amateur video footage from that day shows a small, fast-moving object zipping through the sky right before the accident. Some experts believe the object's displacement of air could have caused the wing to fail. Witnesses on the ground, including 2 boys on a nearby hill, saw a gray object split into 3 parts just before the crash. One part flew towards the air, while another witness on a boat saw a small metallic sphere dive into the sea shortly after. From glowing green, cigar-shaped objects seen by fishermen to strange lights appearing on ship radar, the Brazilian coast is teeming with USO reports. These accounts suggest there's much more happening in our oceans than we realize. Could there really be hidden bases beneath the waves? The evidence is compelling, and the mystery continues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more unexplained phenomena.